Hello friends, welcome to Planting Nature. In this video, I got you some results of the experiments done on propagation of betel leaf plant. Betel leaf plant, also called as pan plant in Hindi, is mostly cultivated in southern and southeast part of Asia. This pan plant is an evergreen creeper with a heart-shaped leaves. This plant can grow well in cool climate. It can also tolerate heat but cannot grow well. We all know that the betel plant can be propagated through stem cuttings. In this experiment, I have tried two different things. One is air layering and the second experiment with water. For air layering experiment, I have selected 3 stems. This is very simple. Take a polythene cover, add the medium in it. The medium I took is 1 part of coco peat and 1 part of soil. Moist the medium with water and tie it onto the nodes of the betel plant in this way. Make sure they are airtight. In the second experiment, I have taken few stem cuttings on the same day and placed it in water. One container I have kept in shade and one container in the sunlight. After 1 week, I am going to open the first cover in this air layering experiment. You can see the roots started developing and they are around half an inch. Now let us go into another experiment. The stem cuttings which are kept in the sunlight are already dead. These stem cuttings in the shade started rooting. We are in week 2 now. Let us open the second cover in this air layering experiment. The roots are even more grown now. They are about 1 inch. So the air layering experiment is working. The stem cuttings kept in water under shade seems to be no development. Now we are in week 3. Here I can see the root development without opening the cover. They are very clearly visible. Hence I will take the stem cutting of this. Now let us open this cover. The roots are well developed here. They are nearly 2 inches long and many roots have emerged. Now let us look at the second experiment. Seems to be no development at all. So of the 2 experiments, air layering is a success. So I would recommend the beginners to use this method. Betel leaf plant can be grown very easily with very little care. It can be very easily grown in containers, but it should not be exposed to direct sunlight. So friends, if you like this experiment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel, share this video. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Happy planting.